Alrighty. Now this is the street I live on. This is Monday, November 9th, I think it is. The morning after ETA, ETA, however you pronounce it. And this is the street I live on. It's not too deep, really. I could have walked this. But doesn't it look cooler with the kayak? Water's definitely going down already. The box that I'm looking at right now, I don't know if it's picking it up or not. I'll get a little closer, but the cable box is above water again. When I came out this morning, it was just the very top of it was above water. So, and you can see on my driveway here where the water line has already receded. So that's good. Good stuff. Crazy, huh? Well, let's drag the kayak over to the other side. See you in the lake. Okay, this should be a little funny. Launching my kayak from the very top of my backyard. I got my helmet cam on from jumping so I can document this adventure. Water's a little chilly. There we go. Just like that, I'm floating already. Look how close I am to everything. So, there we go. Let's take a look at the house real quick. Wow-wee. Angie's up there on a meeting right now, so she don't get to play. Haha. But just look at that. I am where normally we have grass. We have to mow all of this. So we had a pretty good amount of shoreline left. There's an iguana. I didn't even notice him. I'm so used to seeing him. He's got his head ducked down so I don't notice him. But he's sunning himself on the deck here. You can stay, just don't shit. No shitting on the deck. That's rule number 1. Rule number 2, obey all the rules. Let's go see what the rest of the neighborhood looks like. This tree right here is where all the iguanas live. This one and this one. And there's some ibis. That's kind of fun. Hello, Ibi. It's all about the you. All about the you. Water's definitely going down. That's a win. Especially going down this fast. There's that iguana still sunning himself. As I get closer, he'll drop his head down. You can't see me. You can't see me. But I can see him. Hello, Greenie. This is just surreal. Paddling up into the grass like this. Up to the fence. And we're home.